C-130J30, Super Hercules. Origin USA. Introduction in 1999. Role Tactical Airlift. Crew 3. Length 29.7 meters 113 feet. Wingspan 133 feet. Height 39 feet 12 meters. Wing area 1,745 square feet. Empty weight 34,274 kilograms. Maximum takeoff weight 74,389 kilograms. Maximum speed 670 kilometers per hour. Range 3,300 kilometers. Power plant 4 times Rolls-Royce A2100D3 turbopropellers. Generates 3,458 kW each. Service ceiling 40,386 feet, 12,310 meters. Cost 100 to 167 million USD. Boeing C-17, Globemaster III, Origin USA. Introduction in 1995. Role Strategic Airlift. Crew 3. Length 53 meters 174 feet. Height 16.8 meters 55 feet. Wingspan 52 meters. Wing area 3,200 square feet. Empty weight 128,140 kilograms. Maximum takeoff weight 265,350 kilograms. Fuel capacity 134,560 liters. Maximum speed 1,080 kilometers per hour. 0.875 Mach. Range 8,000 kilometers. Power plant 4 times Pratt & Whitney F117 PW100. Turbofans. Generates 179.9 kN each. Service ceiling 45,000 feet, 14,000 meters. Cost 220 million United States dollars. Berry 50, Ilyushin Il-76, Role Airborne Early Warning and Control, Origin Russia, Introduction in 1984, Crew 15, Length 49.59 meters, Wingspan 50.5 meters, Height 14.76 meters, Wing area 3,200 square feet, Empty weight 75,000 kilograms, Maximum takeoff weight 170,000 kilograms, Maximum speed 900 kilometers per hour, Range 7,500 kilometers. Power plant 4 times Soloviev D30 kp turbofan. Each engines generates 117, 68 and thrust each. Service ceiling 12,000 meters, 39,000 feet. Fuel capacity 120,000 liters.
Seppercat Jaguar Origin France UK Roll Ground Attack Length 16.8 meters, Height 4.9 meters, Empty weight 7,000 kilograms, Maximum takeoff weight 15,700 kilograms, Fuel capacity 4,200 kilograms, Speed 1,350 kilometers per hour, Combat range 1,900 plus kilometer, Service ceiling 14,000 meters, 46,000 feet, Power plant 2 times Rolls-Royce Turbo Mecha, cost 8 million USD. MiG-21 Bison Role Interceptor Origin Soviet Union in 1959. Length 14.7 meters, height 4.1 meters, speed 2,237 kilometers per hour, empty weight 5,200 kilograms, maximum takeoff weight 10,400 kilograms, combat range 660 kilometers, service ceiling 17,500 meters, 57,400 feet, takeoff run 830 meter, landing run 550 meter, power plant 1 times Tumansky R25300 afterburn turbojet, cost 2 million USD in 1974, participated in Bangladesh Liberation War, Kargil War. HAL Tejas Multi-Role Light Fighter Origin India Introduction in 2015. Length 13.2 meters, height 4.4 meters, empty weight 6,560 kilograms, maximum takeoff weight 13,500 kilograms, maximum speed 1.8 Mach, combat range 3,200 kilometers with 2 times external drop tanks, service ceiling 16,500 meters, 50,000 feet, power plant 1 times General Electric F404G in 20 turbofan, cost 43 million USD. Dassault Mirage 2000 Origin France Introduction in 1984 Length 14.36 meters Height 5.2 meters Empty weight 7,500 kilograms Maximum takeoff weight 17,000 kilograms Maximum speed 2,300 kilometers hour 2.2 Mach range 3,335 kilometers with drop tanks Service ceiling 17,000 meters 55,900 feet Rate of climb 285 meters per second Power plant 1 times Snecma M53P2 Afterburning turbofan participated in Kargil war operations Surgical strike cost $30 million Mikoyan MiG-29 upgraded multi-role combat aircraft Origin Russia in 1982 Length 17.3 meter Height 4.7 meter Empty weight 11,000 kilograms Maximum takeoff weight 18,000 kilograms Maximum speed 2,400 kilometers per hour 2.25 Mach Combat range 1,400 kilometers 2,100 kilometers with 1 times drop tank Service ceiling 18,000 meters 59,000 feet Rate of climb 330 meters per second 65,000 feet per minute Power plant 2 times KLM of road 33 Afterburning turbofan cost $30 million Sukhoi Su-30 MKI Origin Russia Introduction in 1996 Length 21.9 meters Height 6.36 meters Empty weight 17,700 kilograms Maximum takeoff weight 34,500 kilograms Fuel capacity 9,400 kilograms Internal maximum speed 2,120 kilometers per hour 2 Mach range 3,000 kilometers Service ceiling 17,300 meters 56,800 feet Rate of climb 300 meters per second Power plant 2 times Satin all 31 FL Afterburning turbofan cost $40 million Dassault Rafale Origin France Introduction in 2001 Length 15.27 meters Height 5.34 meters Empty weight 10,300 kilograms Maximum takeoff weight 24,500 kilograms Fuel capacity 4,700 kilograms Maximum speed 2,223 kilometers per hour 1.8 Mach Combat range 3,700 plus kilometer 2,000 plus nautical miles Power plant 2 times Snecma M88 2 turbofans Service ceiling 15,835 meters 52,000 feet Rate of climb 305 meters per